Strathvaich Estate is in the Highlands of Scotland. It contains a very large area of eroded blanket bog at quite high altitudes. The estate's ownership are quite keen to carry out peatland restoration, so they've been carrying out restoration since 2015 and have been restoring peatland pretty much every year since then.
This is one of the first estates to come on board with peatland restoration, and they're very proactive. They've been at it from the start, and I think we've restored somewhere in the region of, I think we must be getting towards over 900 hectares maybe by now.
We've made quite a big chunk out of the most severely degraded sites, but there's probably 3 or 4 times as much here as we've tackled so far. But I'd like to keep on going until all our West peatland is in decent condition.
The challenges are really, I would say 70-80% of the job is really working you take a digger. It's a skilled job, and you need skilled operators that know where they can take a machine rather than just what to do when they get there. The other challenges, the weather is also a big challenge, as today you can see. So we have a major problem in the winter time, especially with higher sites that get snowed off. The conditions today, I have to say, are far from ideal. The turf is frozen, it's crumbling and breaking up, which isn't ideal, and this is probably borderline of where we would work up to. Snow cover isn't enough to stop us completely, but it is hampering our progress. We've used a variety of techniques on Strathvaich: gully reprofiling and damming, hag reprofiling, drainage. Working on the drainage system that's been here, we've done drain damming, drain reprofiling. On this site here on phase 5, there's a lot of micro erosion, so there's been a lot of bunding of micro erosion in there, and also timber dams, a wide range of techniques.
The benefits of the peatland restoration will take decades to see in full, but you can generally see improvements after 4 to 5 years, and that's increases in biodiversity, the vegetation, invertebrates. There's a lot to do with flood management as well.
So we work quite closely with the Peatland ACTION project officers, but as land agents and experts in land management, we can help to advise clients on the wider implications of peatland restoration work, and also help with the peatland code application process right through from registration, validation and verification.
The peatland restoration work for us has been great. We've been able to expand our business. We're employing now, there's 12 people work for Highland Conservation. It started off with about 3 or 4. It's a great opportunity for especially young people who are coming out of school to get rural jobs in the locality where they come from. I would say that peatland restoration is certainly here to stay, so it's a good industry to get into.
My advice to other landowners would be to go ahead with peatland restoration. There's huge support available, both financial and in advice from NatureScot. The process is not painful, and we are in much better condition for it.